Today we're going to talk about oregano and how to harvest it from your garden. This is some oregano that I planted and it's a few months old. You want to get a healthy plant and pick off the tips, which are a little bit more tender. And you want to make sure that you're not taking more than a third of the plant because that can stress it out too much. And the flowers of oregano are also edible. You can put them in salads or in soups and sauces. Oregano has many different varieties. There's Italian oregano, there's Mexican oregano, but most of them are pretty similar in flavor. Then once you get it inside, you want to make sure that you rinse it off because it can have little bits of dirt clinging to the underside of the leaves that you might not see immediately. And then once it is all clean with that cool water, you're just going to drain it in a colander and then kind of pat it dry with a paper towel. Don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.